LangChain Experimental Chat Model Chat Wrapper. The system is designed to provide an interactive chatbot experience using various language models, LLMs, through the chat wrapper. Multiple choice question. Presents a multiple choice question related to the LangChain chat wrapper's features. The question aims to assess users' understanding of the chat wrapper's capabilities. Displays a multiple choice question with choices A to D about features of the LangChain chat wrapper. Choices A, B, C, and D. The question is displayed to the user. Answers. Data. The selected choices by the user as an answer to the question are passed to the answers component. Explanation. Control. The user's selection triggers the control flow to the explanation component, where the correctness of the answer and related details are processed. Answers. Receives the user's selected choices and validates them against the correct answers. Compares the user's selected choices against the correct answers to determine if the user answered correctly. The user's selected choices are compared with the correct answers and the result correct or incorrect is passed to the explanation component. Explanation. Data. The result of the answer validation correct/incorrect is sent to the explanation component. Explanation. Provides a detailed explanation of the correct answer and why other choices are incorrect. This component explains the rationale behind the correct answer and why the other choices are incorrect. Generates an explanation based on the user's answer. This explanation includes details about why the correct choice is correct and why other choices are incorrect. A detailed explanation of the correct answer, including rationale and reasons why other choices are incorrect, why other choices are wrong. Control. The control flow moves to the why other choices are wrong component to provide further explanations about the incorrect choices. Why other choices are wrong. Provides individual explanations for each of the incorrect choices, clarifying why they are not the right answer. Provides individual explanations for each incorrect choice from the multiple choice question, highlighting why they are incorrect. Detailed explanations for each of the incorrect choices from the multiple choice question. Quiz LangChain Experimental Chat Models. Question. Presents a multiple choice question related to LangChain Experimental Chat Models. Displays the quiz question and its associated choices to the user. Receives question and choices from the quiz data source. Directs the user to select an answer from the provided choices. Choices. Provides a set of possible answers for the question. Displays 4 distinct choices A, B, C, D for the user to select from. Receives choices from the question component. Sends the selected choice to the answer component. Answer. Evaluates the user's chosen answer. Identifies the correct answer and provides feedback to the user. Receives the user's selected choice from the choices component. Determines if the selected choice is correct, then directs the user to the explanation component. Explanation. Provides detailed explanations for both correct and incorrect answers. Displays a breakdown of the correct answer and provides additional information about each choice. Receives the selected choice and correctness information from the answer component. Sends the user to the next question or concludes the quiz based on the user's choice and the quiz. Structure. Question. Choices. Data flow. The question component provides the choices to the choices component. Choices. Answer. Control flow. The choices component sends the user's selected choice to the answer component. Answer. Explanation. Control flow. The answer component directs the user to the explanation component, which provides feedback on the chosen answer. LangChain Quiz Mixtral Model. This system presents a multiple choice quiz question about the Mixtral language model. followed by the answer choices and detailed explanations for each choice. Question displays the quiz question related to the Mixtral language model. Presents the question to the user. Receives the question text as input. Triggers the display of answer choices upon user interaction. Choices. Presents a set of multiple choice answers related to the question. Displays the answer choices for the user to select from. Receives the answer choices from the question data. Passes user's selected answer to the answer evaluation component. Answer evaluation determines the correctness of the user's selected answer. Compares the user's selected answer with the correct answer. Receives user's selected answer and correct answer as input. Triggers the display of answer explanations based on the evaluation result. Provides detailed explanations for each answer choice, highlighting whether it is correct or incorrect. Displays detailed explanations for each answer choice, explaining why it is correct or incorrect. Receives the explanation texts from the question data. Triggered by the answer evaluation component. The components interact in a sequential manner, starting with the question display and progressing to the answer selection, evaluation, and finally the presentation of answer explanations. Data flows from the question component to the choices component, then to the answer evaluation component, and finally to the answer explanations component. The user's interaction with the choices triggers the answer evaluation, which in turn controls the display of the answer explanations. Multiple choice quiz, a system that presents multiple choice questions to the user and evaluates their responses. Question display displays the question text to the user. Renders the question text in a clear and readable format. Choice display presents the multiple choice options to the user. Displays the available choices for the question, allowing the user to select one. User input captures the user's chosen answer. Allows the user to select a choice by clicking on the corresponding option. Answer evaluation compares the user's chosen answer to the correct answer. Checks the user's selection against the stored correct answer and determines if it is correct or incorrect. Explanation provides an explanation of the correct answer. Displays the reason why the correct answer is correct, potentially including additional information related to the topic. Question display. Choice display. The question is presented to the user, and the choices are displayed based on the question. Choice display. User input. The user interacts with the choices, selecting one as their answer. User input. Answer evaluation. The user's chosen answer is submitted to the evaluation module. Answer evaluation. Explanation. Based on the evaluation, the explanation for the correct answer is displayed, along with feedback for the user's choice. Question data. Question display. The question text is retrieved and passed to the display component. Choice data. Choice display. The choices for the question are retrieved and displayed. User input. Answer evaluation. The user's chosen answer is transmitted to the evaluation module. Answer evaluation. Explanation. The evaluation result and feedback are passed to the explanation component. Quiz. A quiz focusing on LangChain LLM wrappers, specifically regarding the wrapper for Vicuna. Question. Presents a question to the user. Receives the question from the quiz and displays it to the user. Initiates the quiz flow by presenting the question. Choices. Data. Provides the question context to the choices component. Choices. Provides a set of potential answers to the question. Receives the question context from the question and displays a list of possible answers to the user. Receives user input after the user selects an answer and passes it to the answer component. Answer. Control. Passes the selected answer to the answer component. Answer. Evaluates the user's selected answer and provides feedback. Receives the selected answer from the choices component and determines if it is correct. Determines whether to proceed to the explanation component based on the answer's correctness. Explanation. Control. Sends a signal to the explanation component to provide a detailed explanation if the answer is correct or incorrect. Explanation. Provides a detailed explanation of the correct answer and why other options are incorrect. Receives a signal from the answer component indicating whether to provide an explanation. Displays the explanation to the user.